Quiz 30. Name this compound. Ca is calcium, NO2 is nitrite. Calcium nitrite. Remember NO3, that is nitrate. So one less oxygen, NO2, that is nitrite. Our math equation, calcium forms +2 ions, nitrite forms -1 ions, -1 equals 0. So +2 -1 -1. That is our math equation. Name this compound. K is potassium, BO3 is borate. Potassium borate. Potassium borate. Name the Ag2SO4 compound. Ag is silver and SO4 is sulfate. Silver sulfate. All we're doing is recognizing those polyatomic ions, and that's what helps us name the compound. We have silver and sulfate. Silver sulfate. Okay, good. Name this compound. Cd is cadmium and PO4 is phosphate. Cadmium phosphate. Cadmium phosphate. Name this compound. Yttrium is Y and HSO4. Now SO4, remember by itself, SO4 is called sulfate. Now if I have a hydrogen, remember hydrogen is a +1. So if I combine those, I have a +1 and then I have a -2. A +1 and a -2 is a -1 charge. Hydrogen sulfate has a -1 charge. So that's how I name that, HSO4, hydrogen sulfate. Yttrium hydrogen sulfate, and I need 3 of them because yttrium forms +3 ions. So my math equation becomes +3 -1 -1 -1 equals 0. Write the chemical formula for aluminum sulfite. Aluminum is a +3. Sulfite is SO3, has a -2 charge. Bring them over. Crisscross game. Our formula becomes Al2 parentheses SO3, close those parentheses, subscript 3. Al2 SO3 3. Write the formula for magnesium peroxide. Magnesium forms +2 ions. Peroxide, O2, 2 oxygens bonded together, has a -2 charge. Peroxide. Bring those over, and we're going to get Mg2 parentheses O2, close those parentheses, subscript 2. Notice these outside 2, because I have 2 of these units. We must reduce, and my formula becomes MgO2, magnesium peroxide. Write the chemical formula for indium phosphate. Indium is a +3 charge. Phosphate, PO4, that's a -3 charge. We have +3 -3 equals 0 is our math equation, so our formula becomes InPO4, indium phosphate. Write the chemical formula for zinc hydrogen carbonate. Okay, let's start out with carbonate, CO3. It's a -2 charge. Now hydrogen carbonate, we'd have to include that H, HCO3, hydrogen carbonate. Now carbonate's a -2, hydrogen's a +1, so when we combine those, we're going to get a total charge of -1. Hydrogen carbonate, -1. So we have this part. So now we have to get the zinc. So zinc, Zn, is a +2 charge. And hydrogen carbonate, HCO3, is a -1 charge. We have to get to 0, so I have to have another one of these hydrogen carbonates, right? So our math equation becomes +2 -1 -1 equals 0. And so we're going to have zinc, because I have one of the zincs, and I have 2 of the hydrogen carbonates, 2 of those units, 2 of those polyatomic ions. Zinc hydrogen carbonate. Write the chemical formula for silver dihydrogen phosphate. Wow, dihydrogen phosphate. Well, phosphate is PO4. It has a -3 charge. Hydrogen phosphate, HPO4. Now that's going to be a +1 and a -3, and so that gives us a -2 charge. So dihydrogen phosphate, H2PO4, I have two of the +1s, so +1, +1, and then a -3. So dihydrogen phosphate is going to have a charge of -1. And I have silver dihydrogen phosphate. Silver is a +1 charge. And dihydrogen phosphate, H2PO4, that is a -1 charge. And +1 - 1 equals 0. So Ag, H2PO4. Silver dihydrogen phosphate. Good. Now, I really put a lot of work into these tutorials, and I really hope that you're learning a lot. And if you are, I ask you, please share these videos. Let people know about them. Chemistry can open up a world of opportunity for you. I just want to help you get there. I want to help you reach your goals. I really want to help all of my students excel. So please help me out with some advertising. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.